At shoutout muna kay Brian Molera. Congratulations. Siya yung nanalo nitong August para sa AirPods natin, free raffle. At ngayong September, may mananalo na naman na isa hanggang December yan, 2024. At shoutout muna kay Michelle Gomez, sa ating model na kaibigan, at kay Atina Sarmiento. At syempre kay Claribel Lindero. At sa ating bagong subscriber na si Fahim Borromeo 402. At naka naman sa aking video yung link para sa Facebook. Doon ka na lang mag-comment, screenshot mo yung Pia post para manalo ka ng AirPods. May chance ka manalo. At simulan na natin itong vlog na to. Botanical Garden, favorite spot ko dati nung 4th year ako bago mag-start ng klase. Dito ako laging nagbe-breakfast kasama si Dennis Casinillo. Oh my god, nakakamiss. Ito yung psych department. Then syempre ang ating squad, pa-practice sila. Pa-library dito sa kaliwa. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Adamson pa rin at kasama po natin si Ma'am
Sofia.
You are, sir?
My name is Sergi Grushin.
And kasama po natin si Sir
Ryzen Flores po.
Ryzen. Sir, why did you choose Adamson University?
It was 7 years ago. I already graduated last sem. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I've chosen this university because of advice of my friend.
Advice of your friend. And Ma'am Sofia, bakit po pala pinili niyo yung Adamson? May graduate po ba sa family niyo or parang recommend a friend, mga ganun po?
Mostly kasi sa fam ko, graduate sila dito. Cousins ko, ganun, uncles, ganun. So like, mas maganda daw pag Adamson ka galing kasi after mo mag-graduate here, hindi ka mahirapan maghanap ng work kasi nga maganda yung Adamson.
Sir Ryzen, bakit po pala Adamson University yung pinili niyo?
Yung ate ko po kasi yan, dito po siya nag-aral.
Graduate po siya ng... Nice. Then, anong course niyo po ngayon, ma'am?
Bachelor of Science in Nursing po.
Nursing. And what year, ma'am?
Second year po.
Second year. Since from the beginning to you graduated, how's the feeling or the culture inside the Adamson University?
So my nationality is Russian.
Russia.
Yes, and it was very different for me. But after several years, for now it's okay.
Ano po pala yung course niyo po?
Ano po, digital marketing po. BSB in marketing management with
Specialization or specialized
subject po.
Then, sir, what na po kayo? Year level?
First year po.
First year. Then, would you recommend to the other foreigners or your other friends or relatives to come and visit or just enroll here?
Yes, of course. I already did it before. For example, one of my Russian friend right now study here, and he was, I don't know, maybe first year student.
First year.
Yes.
And so far, ma'am, in 2 years na, nag-study kayo dito, ma'am. Ano po yung pinaka-memorable part na, na student kayo dito, ma'am?
Siguro yung first year ako na nahirapan ako during Ret Dems. Pero at the same time, memorable yun kasi doon ko lahat natutunan para paano gawin to, paano to gawin, ganun po.
Nice. Sir, so far sa pag-i-stay nyo ngayong sem na to, is kamusta naman to?
Oo, okay naman po. Masaya naman.
Masaya naman. Then, and ma'am, sa tingin nyo ma'am, ano po yung parang pinaka dapat malaman ng isang student bago sila mag-enroll dito sa Adamson, ma'am?
First of all, ito kasi sinasabi nila like, okay, madaling pumasok sa Adamson kasi walang entrance exam, ganon. So like, para pag nakapasok ka na, doon nila masasabi, ay, kaya pala walang entrance exam kasi super hirap naman lumabas. Ganon, like, literal na madidelay ka ganon.
Did you enjoy staying here for the past 6 years?
The first experience, first year, it was difficult for me because the culture, the streets, people are different, very different. If we will compare with Russia, but for now, after 6 or 7 years, it's like my second country, so I feel normal.
Ano po yung pinakamasayang subject na so far na-encounter niyo po?
Ano po? Marketing po.
Marketing. And para sa ano po, sa mga culture or parang sa mga beliefs or parang dito po sa Adamson po, ano po yung parang ano nyo, parang opinion nyo or ano po, naramdaman nyo?
Nung una po, medyo kabado po.
Kabado. Na-culture shock ka ba or hindi naman?
Hindi naman po.
Then, ano po pala yung masasuggest nyo para sa mga upcoming freshmen or parang gustong itry na mag-ship ng pumunta dito sa Adamson po?
Ano po, tiwala lang po sa sarili.
Tiwala sa sarili. Okay. And so far, sir, ano po yung pinaka-difficult na na-encounter yung subject?
Difficult? So far, wala pa no.
Wala pa. Yeah. Thank you, sir. And then, what is the most memorable part staying here at the Adamson?
The most memorable part is when I received grade 5 for yes, for the last semester, but it was kind of mistake, and we fixed it before. Yes.
And any recommendation or suggestion for the other student wants to study here?
I think, in my own opinion, Adamson teachers are really good. I mean, they study the students with a lot of joyful, and they know the material that we learn. So my advice is that if you want to come in Adamson, you need to be sure that you will be ready to study there hard. Yes.
And so far, ma'am, sa lahat ng subjects, ano po yung pinaka-difficult na na-encounter nyo so far?
Ngayon, sa subject ko ngayon, sa maternal and child po. MCN namin.
Ano po ba siya? Practical or ano, ma'am? Paano po ba?
About siya sa pregnant woman. So, pag after namin sa CNP namin ngayon, so may duty na kami, magpapaanak na kami sa mga buntis, ganon.
Nice. And ano pala yung masasabi nyo sa mga future student na gusto mag-enroll po dito, ma'am?
Wag silang matakot kasi lahat naman ng university mahirap. Ang kailangan lang talaga sipag at tiyaga at tatag sa puso kung kaya nila ba yung course na to. Syempre naman, lahat ng course walang madali. Lahat mahirap, ganon. So, nasa sa kanila din talaga yun kung gusto nila yung program nila.
Ayun. Shout out pala kay Ma'am Karen, ayun, sa anatomy ko dito sa Adamson. Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ayun, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Please subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys, please do follow, subscribe and like Pangalinan's YouTube channel. Thank you! Alex Pangilinan, please like, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel. Hi, please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YT. Thank you.
Hello mga biyaheros! Kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na. Huwag nyo na kayo pinch.
Hello everyone, nandito tayo sa SM Mega Mall at syempre Pride of Fear.